jumpers. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Should we just go around and go out the other way? Maybe. I'm so gonna stall it on this. Now, let's go out the way they want us going out. Well, it does just say entry. Yeah, let's just go the regular way out. You know, and that thing's not really wide enough for 2 trucks anyway, so I don't want someone to come in while I'm trying to go out. I mean, it's wide enough, but it's not. You need both lanes to make that turn around the corner, unless you swing wide in the road. You don't want to make people swing wide in the road, because you never know who will and who won't. All right, I also need to fuel, don't I? I should fuel before we go. I almost forgot. That could have been bad. That could have been very bad. Ooh, it's a good thing we changed our mind about which entrance to use. Alright, fuel time. Fuel time, and I'll see you guys when we have our fuel. I can't believe I almost forgot to fuel. We're going into West Virginia. I can't forget to fuel. That ends very badly if you do. Okay, let's try that again. We have fuel. So much fuel in our tanks. Full stop. And go. Boy, that's a lot of traffic up there. Don't clip the guardrail. Yeah, we're good. We are heavy. We are very heavy. This is one of those ramps that's a tester of that. Come on, Maxwell. Yeah, we're good. Alright, merge. Whew. Alright. Almost up to highway speed, almost. There we go. Made it. Not now, Maxwell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 58 miles per hour set on the cruise control. Going nice and slow today. We're not in any hurry. We've only got like 5 hours of driving to do. No GPS set today. I know where we're going. It's about 255 miles, point to point. So nothing major. Less than 5 hours of driving for us. We've got a tricycle passing us very slowly, which makes me nervous because they're just going to cut right in front of me now, right? 62 mile an hour, so they'll pull away from us slowly, but yeah. I would like to think they gave me more space, but with that guy steaming up behind him without slowing down, I don't really blame him for getting over when they did. Still. Please have EZ Pass, dude. Please have EZ Pass. Come on, race car guy, have EZ Pass. Please have EZ Pass. You got an EZ Pass? Are you gonna... Yes! Oh, hell yes! Woo! Alright. Dude. I knew the right lane was the right choice, because it was all the trucks pulling over into the right lane. So it was less vehicles in front of us total. Yeah, so apparently Memorial Day weekend is such a busy weekend on this here West Virginia Turnpike that it's in Chelyan, West Virginia. But apparently it's such a busy weekend that they just turn off the EZ Pass only lanes. So every lane has a toll collector. So it's all EZ Pass, all cash tolls. Everybody goes. And it's very slow. But all the trucks just went in the right lane. I'm like, you know, we're probably more likely to have EZ Passes than any of the cars. So, you know, what are the odds that every car in front of you is going to have an EZ Pass or just have the $2 ready? More likely that most of the trucks will just have EZ Passes. So I got in the right lane and just do right through. Which, oh, that felt good. Yeah, Chelyan. I don't know. Rainy town. It rains like half the time I come through this area. I'm sure there's a reason for it, that this makes this area particularly rain prone, or maybe I'm just unlucky through here. I feel like it rains a lot on the West Virginia Turnpike. That was our last toll plaza. We got the Kanawha River to our right. And we'll just be following that all the way to Kentucky. And we'll be stopping in Kentucky tonight as well. Our destination is Grayson, Kentucky. There's like 2 truck stops in Grayson. But Grayson also has the like Kentucky Christian University thing, so I don't really want to hang out super much in a town that's got a fundamentalist Christian university. That's just, you know, that's just dangerous for a trans person. Also, the Loves there is teeny tiny. I mean, it's not really tiny, but it's got a similar issue to it's like the pilot in Chillicothe, Ohio, where you can't just turn around in the lane of parking. That makes it extra dangerous. Alrighty, we're in 9th gear, ready to go down this hill, take this exit, and snag ourselves a parking spot for the night. It's like 5 p.m. Yeah, it's right around 5 p.m. Do. So it's not one of those situations where you can turn left out of both lanes. Sorry about the rumble strips. I guess that was kind of like you were really need a stop warning. Inside the truck stop anytime soon. We're gonna have to sit and wait this out because I don't want to get hit by lightning. Oh, yeah, okay. I was like, wow, that was a really long delay to go from the green on the cross traffic to green for us. So I just saw someone turn left here to get in, so I think this is the entrance. Oh good, we're going to be parking in a thunderstorm. Sweet. Oh boy. Cool. Good timing. Good timing. Let's find an easy one. Is that a pull-through? That's a pull-through. All right, that's as easy as we want it for this. Normally, I'm not one to take pull-throughs this early in the afternoon, but it's soaking wet outside. Oh, actually, no, I should probably try and get a back row spot. Engine off. Yeah, so my arm got soaked. That was about it. I think Sinclair got a few drops. How you doing, Sinclair? You good? Good? You good? Yeah, you got hardly any water on you. You lucky duck. You lucky duck, Sinclair. I mean, yeah, I know you're not a duck, but I mean, dinosaurs, birds, y'all are related at least. You've got cousins that are ducks. So, I feel comfortable telling Sinclair he's a lucky duck. So, it was not the brachiosaur, brontosaur, sauropod family that grew into birds. It was the dinosaurs that walked on two legs, like T-Rex, Velociraptor, Spinosaurus, etc. Alright, so I guess we're here tonight. We at least change to sleeper berth. Okay. How far are we from our customer? Let's see here. Let's actually just turn off the travel thing. Like 10, 15 miles at most. Kmart, Smithfield. Directions. 25 miles, no problem. We got to be there at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. And we aim to get there at 9, and so we can leave here at 8:30. Perfect. All right. Feels weird to get such a nice, relaxed load, but this kind of happens on holiday weekends. That's why I like working on holiday weekends. Is because you wind up getting pretty chill cargo. unless you have the bad luck of picking up early in the weekend. Like if you pick up before the long weekend and deliver after the long weekend, then you can get some pretty tight loads. But if you pick up during the tight weekend and it's not too far of a trip, they're not going to unload you until the day after until the day everyone comes back to work. So like the place that we picked up, they didn't have anybody in shipping. The only people that were working the day we picked up this cargo was security and the grunts in the warehouse, because of course all the office people get the day off. So yeah, and then under normal circumstances we probably would have been supposed to deliver this load today, but it's a holiday, so instead we're delivering it tomorrow morning, and we get to be this close, and we get to take a nice chill, like 12-hour break here. No, more than 12. It's like a 14-hour break here we're taking. Yeah. I like 14-hour breaks. If I had it my way, I would I would work 10 and then be off 14 every day. If I could, but because that's kind of more my speed. And that's kind of what you wind up having to do to keep your 70 intact, and my dispatcher just hasn't figured that out. So instead we wind up working like a bunch of 11 and 12-hour days. And then 1 2-hour day or 3-hour day. And here comes more rain. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. My name's Elliodare, AzerAngel17 on Twitch, Xbox Live, and Steam. Drop in and say hi. Let me know if you enjoy the videos by clicking like, subscribe, or sending comments my way. You can comment below the videos, or you can toss stuff at my Twitter, at Elliodare, no apostrophe in the username. There is one in my real name, but not in the username, because computers. So, yeah. Come say hi on Twitter. I'm there all the time. That's the best place to get a hold of me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.